Intention is everything. So when you create, not from a physical plane, but from a soul level, so that would be, as we would call it, a fifth dimensional intention. Using the I am statements as an example, you begin to create the life that you truly want and deserve. Example, today, I am choosing to be in joy and to express that joy to the world wherever I am. So that intention of igniting joy within your heart from deep within your soul will radiate out and people will feel it. And they'll want to maybe perhaps give you a hug. They may perhaps just come up to you and start asking you questions because they feel that vibration that is very peaceful, very supportive, and very loving.